Welcome to Forest Rock Qigong. This is a 5-minute Qigong routine for emotional health. I'll go through the exercises first and then I'll go back afterwards and I'll talk a little bit more in detail of each of the exercises, but I'll do the 5-minute practice first. The first exercise is called Crane Drinks from the Spring. This is a long life Qigong exercise. So you're going to bring your hands down, you go forward. It's like a bird putting its head in the water. And then you're going to bring the hands up, and you're going to bring your head and the hands up. And you're going to scoop it coming up. And you're leaning your head back, you're drinking the water, and then you bring your hands down. You're going to go forward again, bring the hands down, head down, and we're going to bring the head and the hands up. So looking up like we're scooping the water like a bird does, and we're bringing our hands up, and we're stretching the hands up to the top. Feel the stretch of the hands, and then we bring the hands down again. We'll do it one more time. Goes down, the water. Put your head up, and the hands come up. And so you're bringing the hand up to swallow the water. You bring your head up, and the water runs down. Feel the stretch in your hand. This exercise is good for the lungs and the heart meridian. It helps to open the lungs and the heart meridian. The next exercise is the heart exercise from the Dantian Zang exercise. Bring your hands on your heart. Now for the men, put your left hand with your right over the top. For the woman, put your right hand with your left over the top. Now we're going to go anti-clockwise first, which is top, right, bottom, left. And we're doing circles around your heart. And we're going to do this 9 times. And then we're going to do the opposite way. We're going to go clockwise, which is top, left, bottom, right. So we're going to leave it clockwise. We'll do it 9 times. This helps to strengthen the heart, strengthens the lungs, helps to calm the Shen, and also releases any emotional tension in the body. Do our 9, and then we push our hands in and breathe out through our mouth. Like pushing perverse chi out of the heart. Breathing in, or pushing any unwanted emotional heat out of the body. One more time, breathing in and breathe out. Good, then bring your hands back down. The next one we call is embrace a tree. Sometimes they call it tree holding or tree hugging or holding a tree. The hands come to the front. The hands come down and you hold the tree. It's like the tree's inside here. And you sit there relaxed, take a breath in and breathe out. And just relax the best you can. This nourishes the kidney jing, this exercise, and also helps to ground all of the emotions in your body. Helps to stabilize the mind. Good, then open your palms, bring your hands down. And the next one's rolling a ball of light. Bring your hands forward, then turn your hands around so you're holding a ball. And you're going to rotate the ball, and you're going to move your hips at the same time, rotate the ball, like a ball of light in your hands. And you're rotating the ball, and feel this. This exercise is very good for harmonizing the heart and the lung chi. It helps to center your emotions. It helps to reset the equilibrium of the Shen. How that's in terminology for you. That helps to bring harmony to your Shen, which is your soul, and to your spirit. We turn it that way. And go back the other way. And just breathe nice and slowly. Breathe, and you breathe in with the turn, so you're breathing in and breathing out. So the speed that you're breathing is the speed that you're turning your ball. Good. And then we finish there. Bring your hands back down to lower Dantian. And the last one's called Golden Rooster. Golden Rooster stands on one leg. This is out of the Zhang system. And this is not an easy exercise, one-legged exercise as well. And you're going to bring one hand up and one's going to go down. And you stand on one leg, one hand's up in the air and one's facing towards the ground. Then we're going to change sides. Bring the other hand up and turn it round and push up, one down, one up. So we've got a palm facing towards heaven, one facing towards the ground. This strengthens the kidney chi, also helps to balance the yin-yang of the body as well. Goes the other side. Hands come down. We'll do it one more each side. And one to the other side. And we just hold the posture and just breathe quietly. This helps to stabilize the emotions as well. Bring the hand back down again. Bring the hands onto the lower Dantian. Help consolidate the chi, so you bring all the chi and all the energy and all the emotion or energy that's gone out, and we bring all the surplus chi back to the lower Dantian. For males, you need to put your right hand with the left over the top. For females, you put your right with the left over the top. And just take a long breath in and take a long breath out and relax. And feel the body, and feel all the emotions leaving the body, all emotional energy leaving the body. And bring calmness to your heart. Good, and that's your 5-minute practice. So we'll go back over each of those exercises a bit, and we'll talk about them individually. So in Chinese medicine, emotional health is seen to be conducted by the heart chi, the liver chi and the spleen chi. As long as those three are in balance, the emotional health will be really strong. Now, in Chinese medicine, emotions are an energetic form. You feel the emotion, you feel the sadness, you feel the grief. It's an action energy inside your body. Now, they're the normal thing we feel as human beings. It's a normal thing, have these expressions. It's only a problem if you have the one emotion all the time, if you're always sad or you're always angry. That means that there's something going on with the liver if it's the anger one. And so there's a dysfunction happening, but we get upset and we get sad and people die and things. So that's a normal emotions, and you go through the range of that. It's a normal experience. So the emotions come in and go back out, and you laugh to get rid of the too much energy in your heart. So these are all about balance and all about the experience of emotions. It's only a problem to say if you've got them all the time and you can't get rid of that particular feeling. Yeah. So Crane drinks from the spring. It's really good for the heart and lungs. The lung meridian travels down to the thumb, and the heart travels down the little finger. So when we're bending down, they also the heart goes to your tongue as well. And when you're bending down, and it's like looking straight down with it. If you had your bill here, you're scooping the water as the abductor, as it scoops the water along, and then it brings its head up, and you stretch the arms forward. And you lean backwards to swallow the water. And you're stretching your hands, and you bring your hands down. So you can feel the heart meridian and the lung meridian in your arms. And you can also feel it, the lung meridian and the heart, because they both travel through the neck as well. Turn your neck up and then bring your hands up. So you can feel the stretch. You feel like your hands are going forward. You can feel the two meridians in your little finger and your thumb. And then you bring your hands down. Nice and simple. The heart exercise from the Zang Qigong. Having your heart, remember the hands, the left for the men, right for the woman. The circle is anti-clockwise first, so you always go anti-clockwise. The energy of the heart travels clockwise normally, which is that way. And so we always go anti-clockwise first, and you always leave it going the right way. So we're doing the 9 circles anti-clockwise. Whoops, that's clockwise. Anti-clockwise, which is the top, right, bottom, left. That's anti-clockwise. And the clockwise is top, left, bottom, right. And you can see if you're looking at me, you can see that. The circulation of the hands. Strengthens the heart chi, calms the soul, calms the spirit, calms the soul, and releases any emotional heat, gets rid of the heat out of the heart. Yep. Embrace the tree, we bring our hands down, or holding the tree, or embrace the tree, the hands come straight forward. You roll down the elbows and brings your hands around, and then relax your shoulders. Now the posture of this it's difficult to get because it's different for everybody. The easiest way is that this is one side too far, and that's the other side, so it's like halfway between the two of them when your shoulders are relaxed and the fingers are facing towards each other. You tuck your pelvis forward, bring your chin slightly back, Have your knees slightly bent. Stand on the front of your feet, on your kidney points, and then just relax. And breathe in and breathe out, relax. By setting this up, that brings up this energy movement through your hands. And because of the lungs and the heart are involved in this energy field, it helps to relax the emotions that's happening inside the body at the same time. You undo your hands, and you bring your hands back, and you return the chi back to the lower Dantian again. Good. Rolling the ball of light, great exercise. Bring your hands up, and then turn around, hold the ball. Now you can do it this way, or you can do it that way. It doesn't matter which way it is. And we turn in. But when we turn our hips. Our hips turn to turn the ball. Turn the ball that way. And it's like the North Pole. One's on the North Pole, one's on the South Pole. And you're turning it over. And so you want to do this, and you're doing this by rotating your hips. And you feel like there's a ball of energy between you hands, but you see it as light. Pure light. And so you're massaging this ball. Good for the heart and lung chi. Centers your emotions. And restores the equilibrium to the Shen, which is your soul and your heart. Cool. And then we finish that. Bring it down. Golden Rooster stands on one leg. It's a one-legged exercise. Make sure you're on a nice flat surface, which I'm not on. And the foot comes up. One foot's the opposite hand goes to the ground that way, the palm facing down, the other one goes into the sky that way. So you have the idea of this. It's a one-legged exercise. This is great for your balance. It's also good to balance yin yang. It's also good for the kidney chi. Bring to the other side. Oops, we'll get a better place to stand. That'll do. Comes up. One palm up, one palm down. Pressing down. Now you don't have to stretch, you just hold at the posture because the energy is circulating through the arms by itself and the relaxation. And then bring the foot down. Yep. Now you might have to practice that to start off with if you need to. You might have to leave the toe on the ground. Depends what your balance is like. So when you go to the other side, you might leave the toe on the ground and then get to where you rest your toe and then bring your foot up as you get more comfortable with the exercises. Yep. The closing exercise, you put your hands on the lower dantian and you consolidate the chi. Like we've moved energy all around the body. We've removed all the emotional energy out of the body that doesn't need to be in there. We've released all that out through these exercises. Now we're bringing all the surplus chi, the good chi, back to our physical center. Remember the hands, left for the men, right for the woman. Take a breath in, breathe out, let the whole body just relax. Feel the body relax. Take a breath in. Breathe out and you feel your heart gets quiet. You feel the emotional disturbance dissipates. Your mind gets quiet. Heart gets quiet. Take a breath in, long breath out, and just relax. So I hope you find these exercises useful. These are the great ways to release unwanted emotions that are stuck inside your body. These exercises are very, very good for that. So if you have any questions, please ask. Cheers. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.